Hello and welcome to TESREG. Are you looking for a new computer? You have come to the right place. TESREG is very simple. All you gotta do is two things: test and compare. Test to figure out where you are and compare to figure out where you want to be. Let me show you how it works. After creating an account, you will receive an account activation email. Don't forget to check out the spam folder. After you logged in, you click on Start Here. This will take you to the Guides and Support section. From here, you click on Software Testing, select your software, and follow the instruction video. When you are done testing and adding your test result into the table, go to step-by-step lessons to learn how to use the benchmark table with your own data. And that's it. Yes, it is that easy. If you have any question, check out the support forum, and if you can't find your software, then click on Software Survey button and choose your software. We're using the software survey to help us decide which software we should add next. Alright guys, go ahead and I will see you in the training videos. Bye bye.